Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Professor Whitherunn, and welcome to Whitherun's Redstone Academy. Today, we will be taking a look at what redstone is, how it works, and what powers it. So first, we need to understand what redstone is. Redstone is a block in Minecraft. Though it might not look like a block, just like some carpet blood on the ground, it is the power of Minecraft. It can open doors, it can run minecart tracks, it can control pistons, and there's a wide variety of things you can do, such as make a computer. I love seeing people make a computer. Alright, so now that we know what it is, let's see how to get it. Alright, in order to mine, this is a redstone ore, and in order to mine it, you need to have at least an iron or higher pickaxe. Right here, if I can find it. Here we go. Iron or higher. Now I'm in creative mode, so when I hit it once, it's just going to break. But it's quite fast mining as of update 1.0, and it will drop 3 to 4 redstone. Alright, so now let's see what powers redstone. First on the list, we have a button right here. Now when I right click this button, as you can see, the redstone behind it gets powered for a couple seconds until the button pops out. This is how to craft a button. Take smooth stone, put one on top of the other, and voila, you have a button. Buttons can't be placed on ground, they can only be placed on sides of blocks, and only certain blocks. So when I hit this button or this button, as you see, the redstone is powered. Now, next on our list, we have a wooden pressure plate. Wooden pressure plates are unique because you can stand on them. You can have a mob stand on them. Let me grab a sword so I can kill it right after it spawns. You see, it will power it. Or, thank you for your service, pig. You will be remembered as a hero of redstone. Or, you can throw an item on it, and it will power the redstone. In order to craft a wooden pressure plate, you need 2 wooden planks side by side. Wooden pressure plate, there you go. Wooden pressure plates cannot be placed on the side of blocks, only on the top, as you would expect. Alright, next on our list, we have a lever. Levers are basically buttons, except when you flick them, they stay on until you have to flick them off. Flick, 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 flick. And they will only stay, the power will only stay as long as you keep it on. As you can see here. Alright. In order to craft a lever, you need 1 stick and 1 cobblestone. You get a lever. Levers can be placed on the side of blocks, the bottom of, or the top of blocks, and that is it. Alright, next, we have a stone pressure plate. Stone pressure plates are different than wooden pressure plates in one aspect. You can walk over them, and I'm not going to spawn another mob, but mobs can stand on them, but they cannot be activated by an item. This is useful for when you want only people to activate stuff, or mobs, such as mob traps. I'm going to go pick up my item there. Alright, to craft a stone pressure plate, exact same recipe as the wooden pressure plate, except with 2 smooth stone. So you can see here, stone pressure plate. They can only go on the top of blocks. Alright, next, we have a redstone torch. Redstone torches are always on. As soon as you put one down, they're powered, and they power any redstone adjacent to them, but not diagonally. So, redstone torches are always on, but there are a few exceptions to being on. Here you can see I have a redstone torch to a redstone wire to another redstone torch, which is powering this wire. Neither of these torches are off, because in order to turn a redstone torch off, you need to power the black block that it is standing on or leaning on or something. So right here I'm powering the actual torch. But if I were to make this a hole like I did here, as you can see, this torch is on. It's powering this redstone on this redstone, and it's powering the block that the torch is sitting on. And therefore, the redstone is off. Alright, in order to craft a redstone torch, you simply need one stick and one redstone, one redstone. There you go. You get a redstone torch. Redstone torches go on the ground, and they can also go on the side of blocks, just like regular torches. Redstone torches give off a little bit of light, but nothing compared to an actual torch. Okay, and last but not least, we have a redstone repeater, or a diode. Now, why they're called repeaters is because back in the alpha Minecraft days, actually just before beta 1.3, I believe, 1.2 maybe, a repeater would look like something like this. Kind of big, it's 2 blocks high, 3 blocks wide, it's a little bit clunky. They've compressed it down into one single block. 1 block high, 1 block wide. Now, the functionality of redstone repeaters are to extend a signal. Redstone power, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Redstone power can only travel 15 blocks. Here's the 15th block. This block is not powered because it is the 16th. So, the functionality of this before Minecraft beta 1.2 or something was to extend the signal. Because what happened was when we power this torch, remember, when a block is powered that is connected to a torch, the torch will turn off. And this torch is being powered by this torch, which means it's off, as you can see here. But if we power this block, which powers this torch will turn on and go another 15 blocks, as you can see there. But since they've added redstone repeaters, or diodes, right here, you can see that as soon as I power it, it does the entire process in this one little box. Turn it off. Powering redstone torches, such as this one, has a 1-tick delay, which means the signal, this redstone, will only be turned off after 1 tick. The old repeaters that I had just shown you, right, here, have a 2-tick delay because there's 2 redstone torches connected to each other. And it's very small, a fraction of a second actually. But if you have enough of these in a row, it can add up time, and it will not be good for your redstone contraptions if you're trying to have precise time. One of these is equal to 1 tick. So while 1 torch is equal to 1 tick, 2 torches is equal to 2 tick. This is 2 torches, except it's only 1 tick. Ticks are Minecraft time, by the way. Alright. So as you can see, I'm just demonstrating here again that power is needed. But what I will show you is redstone repeaters have another process, and the sun is going down, so I will hurry up. So if I right-click the redstone repeater, this first torch moves back, and it can go up to 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 after you've placed it. This is increasing the tick count, unless you want to, if you want to time something. So, as you can see here, I have 1 tick, just because it in itself is 1 tick. So when I power it, it's very fast to power. But if I delay this, 3 times, power it, as you can see, it took a second for the redstone to turn on, for the redstone to turn off. This can be useful when timing practical things. Okay, so here I'm just showing that these are set to the maximum delay. These are not. So there's 4 here, and if you put a redstone thing down, redstone repeater, 1 2, 3, 4. These are on maximum delay, which is 4. Here are 4. So these are actually going at the exact same speed. Now it's an optical illusion if they look like they're not, because while this redstone takes a second, it also powers it a little bit longer. So while this is just a flash, this is like on, off, on, off. This is a flash, flash. So this is much faster, but this can delay your time. Alright guys, thank you for watching my first video of Whitherun's Redstone College, and I hope to see you again.